Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Moonlight, chapter 19. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Fushiyu and Gu Singing. Two of them are in the hospital. The doctor said the ankle sprain, no bone injury. You can go back and spray some swelling and pain relief medicine. The family remembers to help with the eyes. Now, it was clear. The doctor, when can I dance? No, secondary sprain. You should be able to move normally in about a week. So it turns out everything went well. She only need to wait for 1 week. Now, she can really breathe right now. Alas, it will be another week. So it turns out she's getting bored by this. Well, Fushiyu, she should need to calm down and focus on herself so she can really heal quickly. Now, go singing. Take a good rest this week. Now, she's been pampered by Go singing. Looking at this girl, she's acting coquettish. But of course, right now, what? I just twisted a little and they prescribed so many medicines. Now, she really got worried, seeing the prescription. It was too many medicine. Now, it was Gu Singing who's looking after her. Fortunately, it was just a sprain, which really scared me, just by now. Well, she was right. Only a sprain. Of course, she should really take care of herself. I just said it was no big deal. I'll be healed a little later out. She said to her, well, she's been tricky, right? Although she knows that Gu Singing is pampering her. Now suddenly there's someone calling Miss Gu. Who could it be? Oh, it turns out it was the doctor. The doctor before. It seems that she knows Gu Singing. The doctor said, is your leg injured again? Oh, this is the reason. Well, can she really hide it well? What will happen if Fushiyu knows about her? That she's been hiding, that's why she's taking a high volume of prescription. Thank you, doctor, I'm fine. Today, I accompany my girlfriend to see a doctor. Is your friend okay? When your legs were? Now everything seems to be get by Fushiyu that Gu Singing is hiding something from her. Thank you, doctor, for your concern. My legs are already healed. Now, they come to get the medicine. Then, I won't bother you. It looks like the doctors knows that she was hiding something. That's why she's not going to push through. After a while, they get the medicine prescription. Gu Singing, suddenly, she becomes serious. Fushiyu is only looking at hers. Probably want to ask her a question, but she knows to herself that her leg is injured. Well, of course, until now, the leg is not really fully healed. That's why she need to take medicine. Now, can she really tell her? In the past 2 years, I accidentally twisted my foot when I dance, and it was a quite serious. It's been more than 4 months. Gu Singing said to her. Now, Fushiyu, she really got curious. Now, that's it. Medicine that she's been seeing. It's a high prescription pain relievers. So it turns out until now, she really needs to take pain relievers to ease her injury. Okay, let's go home first. Let's put it on with the ice so it won't be swollen. You can rest at home first. I'll go back to work mate. Thank you. I really want to go to the dance troupe with my sister. Now, when she come home alone, Fushiyu, she's really getting bored. She know to herself that Gu Singing. Now, the dead leg give me a good time. Now, this is not good. She's pushing herself to go to the school to see what will happen with Gu Singing and with her ex-girlfriend. Who find me at this time? Well, definitely. Gu Singing is getting busy, so she can able to see her. See Yolanda. Unexpected that your director Gu also knew that Xialan, and it seems that the relationship is not bad. Now, her friend is telling her went to the school to see Gu singing. Now, it really makes her rattled. Fushiyu, what is she going to do now? She know to herself that Xialan, Gu singing had passed. Now, she looks really rattled. See on what will happen next. No, I have to go to see what is going on today. So even though her feet is not really okay and she was still shaking. Wait, you just can't go like this. Now, what is she going to do? She was rushing to see Gu singing and Shalan. Now she's fixing herself. She's putting makeup on and lipstick so she can be presented. When Gu singing see her, she looks really beautiful. Now, Fushiyu, she's been ready. She was looking at the mirror and said to herself that it was a perfect. This girl, she's really getting jealous, right? That's why she was rushing to see what will happen to Gu singing and Shalan. Now, when she arrived on the university, she looks really exhausted. This girl, she really getting jealous. Now, she was looking on the room. If Shalan really treats senior sister, what can I compare with her? Well, Shalan definitely a superstar. But of course, right now, she still has no name. Now, it really makes sense to her. That's why she's getting jealous. Shalan is gone. Haven't left yet. So it turns out, from time to time, she was texting her friends. Shalan was still on the university. And now, she was seeing on the dance room. She got to see and peek inside. So it turns out Gu singing and Shalan was there. Definitely, right now, she is really getting jealous. She said to herself that Shalan, the chief of Weicheng Opera and Dance Troupe, this girl is really famous and also has gained some popularity. When she see inside, Gu singing was stopping Shalan's. Now, look at her. She was calling her sister. Let's see on what will happen next, since our little Fushiyu is getting jealous. Let's see on how she can coax Gu singing. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!